watching another 618 visual.
To Barber today. Basically, he just got me reading and stuff out the book to study for this test we got coming up. It's going on our shears, sanitary shit, barber side, pretty much everything that you are. Like, really, they really just care about money to keep the book. They really not teaching you shit. Walk around this motherfucking hot as hell. And that's all I got from the shit pretty much. I'm finna see what's the tea, like, what's really going on and shit. I ain't received nothing for real. Really, I ain't finished my payments. It's $750 for the bag, but I've been informed that the bag has been giving out like 0 gap clippers, the real good clippers. Like, that's really worth $750. You know what I'm saying? It's the plug-ins, like, bro. Shit ass. But what you gotta work with. Finna really ride this shit out. Ain't no complaining. We finna ride this shit out. We finna get this barber license. We finna get this shit going. We finna get up out of here. So I'm gonna just let y'all know how shit go for the rest of the week. But this is my first day of class. Class is 5 to 9 p.m. Tuesday to Friday. No class on Monday. So yeah. Alright, y'all.
JP Productions.
Ain't say slime, ain't say bitch. When you got cut like that, when you
You are now watching another 618 visual. JP Productions. JP Productions.